Welcome to the channel 34% Profit. On air, Alexei. Today I added 3 more shares to my equity portfolio. Due to the fact that my capital increased over the previous year, I can now buy shares with lower dividends than before. Let me remind you that I used to need high dividends in order to pay a commission to my broker from the funds received from the dividend payments. I want to make my account autonomous, that is, not to add money to it from outside. So, due to the evaluation of shares, I want my brokerage account to increase in volume. These are the toughest words that can be used to show the result of investing. After all, you will agree, it is not difficult if every month or every week you transfer some amount to a brokerage account and use it to buy, for example, the US stock market index, for example, S&P 500, in the form of funds. Thus, according to my calculations, if you buy on the falls of the index, you cannot strain to calculate an average of 15 to 25 of the annual profit. But I will try to make the same result, that is, an average of 20% per year, and without resorting to adding funds to my brokerage account. Let me remind you that in 2020 I make 34% of the profit. You can see this by the rate of the return of my account, which I show in every video dedicated to my transactions on the stock exchange, like this video. At the same time, if I want to increase my funds under management, I can't under my own management. I can simply make an autofollow for my brokerage account. Fortunately, Interactive Brokers provide such an opportunity. In this case, the operations will be proportional in value. That is, if I buy one lot of shares on my master account and I have 2 times more money on the second account than on the master one, then broker will automatically make a deal to buy not 1 but 2 lots on second account, since the second account has twice as much money. And now I'll show you which shares I purchased. A little earlier, at the bottom of the portfolio tab, it was seen that my cash has decreased just by the amount of purchased and is now about 35% of the value of the entire portfolio. And the first stock I purchased today is ACNB Corporation. This is an ordinary small bank that is already 160 years old. It has good financial performance. But there is a minus, the fact that this is the financial sector. Today, 2 of the 3 acquired shares are from the financial sector. I decided to buy them today, investing in each only $30. And from tomorrow I will not acquire financial companies, such as banks and insurance companies, for example. I will not purchase them until the financial sector is not dominant in my portfolio. It will now be easier for me to do this, since I am willing to consider stocks with a dividend yield of less than 4% per year. And the second stock I purchased is C&F Financial Corporation. This is also a small classic bank with good financial performance. The dividend yield on this paper is now the same as on the previous one, in the region of 3% per year. And on this promotion I will show you how a fractional lot works in the web interface of my broker. As you can see, I didn't buy a whole lot, but 0.7 of the lot. But financial sector occupies the third place in terms of business volume in the United States after information technology and medicine. And the third share that I purchased relates to the healthcare industry. It is a healthcare services group company. It works as a management company for firms that serve hospitals in the United States. It is with the acquisition of this share that I will begin the fight to reduce the share of the financial sector in my portfolio. Thank you for watching my videos. Good luck with your investment. You will see all my deals on buying and selling shares on this channel. Goodbye.